Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to this small talk English conversation video. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Asif Sheikh, and I usually try to make a English conversation video. And before moving forward, I would like to share a one story which is very helpful for you. The story is that once there was a king. At that period of time, he received two pots. One was made up of gold, and the other was a pot which is made up of a clay. The king was very exciting and feeling a pride. The king put his a golden pot in his palace and the clay pot in the corner of the palace. One day, the man was named Tenali Ravan, and he put water both pot. One was gold and the other was what, clay. And after one day, he just trying to pour some water in the glass from the both pot. First, he just uh, uh, approached the king. Sir, please drink water from the golden pot. The king drank, and he just feeling that warm and feeling not fresh. The king said, "It is not fresh and it is very warm." Then the Tenali Ravan approaches a pot which is made up of clay and said, "Sir, please drink this water from the clay pot." After drinking, the king feeling very refreshment, and he said, "It is cold and it is very fresh. So how it is work?" The king is and the Tenali Raman said that, "Sir, this is the quality of both the clay, and the clay pot is give you the fresh and refreshment." Then the Tilani Ravan getting shocked and said, "Yes, it is fresh." And the lesson is that the Tilani Ravan said that, "Sir, we don't have to judge the book by its cover. Everyone just trying to see some peoples who is seems not smart or a beautiful, then no one can consider he is a good person. But those person who is very looking very handsome or a smart or a beautiful, and everyone giving them opportunity, but the quality they didn't have, as we can see. So golden looking a very gold, but it hasn't a quality, and you feel warm and not drinkable, not refreshment. And the other side, you can see the ordinary clay give you the refreshment and beneficial, and you feel the refreshment while drinking. So that's the quality. We don't have to judge everything by its cover. Everything has a quality, and we have to just figure out. So thinking is that you would also consider yourself you are an ordinary person, but the thing is that if you do practice and just trying to elaborate yourself in every single day, then you can do in a very well manner. So every time you have to just trying to make it in a simple way and be consistent towards your goal. So it was a small story. I hope this video helpful you a little bit. And the thing is that why I narrated this story, because every time I just realized every person needs a motivation at every single period of time. Because those who don't have a motivation, they don't want to grow in a very consistent way. So that's why I narrated, and with the help of this story you can basis yourself and where you are staying and how the way you can doing a hard work. So that's the kind of approach, and I'm so glad I could have this in this way. And I usually just trying to make a everyday single video which can also hindering your mind to think in a better way, and my mind also. So don't worry about it, just do a practice. And if you just consider don't no one can guide me how I can improve it, so it's a simple and everything you can make it in a as a companion, just trying to talk with them and make a single video or doing a practice. So without doing this you can't be able to speak. Trust me, it's a genuine way which you can help and where you can go. So just trying to make it in a simple and be consistent or a concise, and every time you're just trying to speak in a simple way, with the help of these everyone can understand your word very crystal and clear. So think about it, and after moving this forward you can see yourself, and you can also comparison your first day and the last day where you are staying. Then you can comparison, and after a comparison you can feel very happy and feeling appreciate yourself. And so that's a kind of approach. And I was thinking that I have to make a such kind of video which can also hinder your mind to think in a better way, and my mind also. So goodbye, take care. I'll meet you in my next small talk conversation. And I'm in the village, and so that's why I just trying to make it every single day videos. So goodbye, take care.